Hey everyone, today we're making financiers. Some people call them friands or little brown butter cakes. They're called financiers because they're amazing golden colour. They look like gold bars and they're often baked in a gold bar shaped bullion tin or silicone mould. So you will need one of those to make them look like gold bars. Bake them in a mould, bake them in a muffin tin, whatever, but they're just golden, nutty, moreish little cakes that are just crying out for tea or coffee. So we're just going to use a blender for this method. We're going to start by blending our hazelnuts, flour, and sugar. We're blending in the hazelnuts to add a really nice nutty flavour, reminiscent of a burnt noisette or a burnt butter, where the milk solids in butter have been caramelized. So we're just going to blend it. We just want to blend it until it starts to clump. That means the oils have released from the nuts and they're starting to coat the flour, which is going to give us a really soft, tender cake. We're just going to add everything else now, starting with the baking powder. And I'm just going to give that a quick little whisk to just distribute the baking powder through the mixture. And then we're adding the plant milk, a tiny bit of vanilla extract, some golden syrup, some extra almond meal or ground almonds, along with just a tiny bit of oil. So now we can whisk everything together to a smooth, lump-free batter. Alright, it's time to pipe this batter into a piping bag. I just have a reusable silicone bag that I like to use. I'm just going to clip the top so it doesn't come out. And, then we pipe. Just halfway up the mould. So after piping the batter, I like to let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes while the oven preheats. We have 2 or 3 options for finishing these. We can either press a couple of frozen raspberries or blueberries into the batter, or we can sprinkle some flaked almonds on top, or we can do both. I like to have them flamed, but just so you have some extra options.